Good morning to all of you. Greater Chennai Police has been at the forefront of war against Corona. Whether it is duty at containment zones, whether it is maintenance of quarantine management, supply of essentials to the citizens under quarantine, crowd management, or campaigning to create awareness regarding norms to be followed to prevent Corona, Chennai Police, its officers and men have been doing all this. In the process, more than 2,400 of our officers and men got infected from Corona. Tamil Nadu and Chennai is fighting a crucial war against Corona. This is a time when today IPL is being inaugurated at Dubai. What the people of Chennai are missing is cheering for their favorite team, Chennai Super Kings. And when I spoke to certain officials and players associated with CSK, they also expressed the same feeling of their missing playing before the Chennai crowds. And they expressed that they salute the spirit of Chennai. This is how the idea for this short video clip, Salam Chennai, originated. Chennai Police, other government agencies and public of Chennai, citizens of Chennai, they are working hand in hand to control Corona and win this war. At this juncture, when all of us are a bit tired, there is a fatigue of wearing the mask, of maintaining the social distance, of washing hands every now and then. We thought that we need something to uplift the spirit of Chennai, and that is Salam Chennai. Through this music video, Chennai Police, along with Chennai Super Kings, Gibran Music Director, Unicorn and Think Music, salute the spirit of the people of Chennai who have been cooperating with all the government agencies, who have been following the norms despite hardships being faced by them to prevent Corona. Government of Tamil Nadu and Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has always been propagating the norms to be followed to control Corona. If we ask any medical expert, any doctor in this world, what is the medicine to prevent Corona? You know what they say. Wear mask, maintain social distance, wash your hands regularly. That is the only medicine, that is the only proven medicine against Corona. So this video is a small effort on the part of Greater Chennai Police, Unicorn, Think Music and Gibran to uplift the spirit of people of Chennai and to send a message that the war against Corona is still not over. we are in a crucial phase of this war. We don't have to get tired. We have to continue to follow norms, and with the cooperation of all the citizens of Chennai, we are confident that we will win this war against Corona, and the vibrant spirit of Chennai, the crowds at Marina, the traffic at Anna Salai, the business and the industrial growth of Chennai city will be back soon and with more vigor once we win this war against Corona. On behalf of Greater Chennai Police and on my personal behalf, I am thankful to the players of Chennai Super Kings who were more than willing to send their video recorded messages to us, as they know the deep association the public of Chennai have with their heroes. And in this video, the players of Chennai Super Kings have said that today the real heroes are the Corona warriors and the public of Chennai, who are cooperating and ensuring that government agencies are able to do their job successfully. I am also thankful to Thiru Gibran, who has given a very lively music. We wanted to uplift the spirit of Chennai. He has achieved this objective. The lyrics, the music, everything is bound to uplift the spirit of Chennai. We are really thankful to you. I am also thankful to Think Music for this initiative, for cooperating with us. Abhinash and Arabhi, they have been with us for almost a year. They have been closely associated with our earlier ventures also. And this time also, when I thought of this video, the first name which came to my mind was theirs only. And immediately Dr. Tirunam Karsu, he coordinated with them. He discussed the details, and later on DCIS Vimla followed it up, and we could come up with this video, luckily on a very crucial day when IPL is being inaugurated. I hope and request our friends in media to take this message of Salam Chennai to each and every citizen of Chennai, so that each one of us wears mask, maintain social distance, wash our hands regularly, and contribute to the revival and uplifting of the spirit of Chennai. Thank you.